Hello again, everybody. Welcome to week 2 of economics, and I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving week last week, and on to the next week. In a few more weeks, we'll have another holiday. But anyway, so let's get in here. Quick review of last week, week 1. Discussions. Hey, very good interaction on that one. I appreciate it. Lots of back and forth there. So not really anything to go over because I had lots of good different opinions and so forth. The homework there too. I showed you in last week's video how to find different easy ways to get to your questions for review and in the book here. From what I've seen so far, most everybody's doing good. If there was any errors or anything, I'll let you know about it. Sometimes depending, one of the things I do, just so you know, so you don't panic, is you might on occasion see a 0 for a grade on a homework, and it's not because you're getting a 0. It is to get a student's attention to make sure they look and review what they did wrong, and then you get back with me, and then I readjust the grade. So that's just an attention getter, because sometimes with busy lives and everything, I know sometimes students do not actually read feedback. If they see, like if a homework assignment's worth 75 and you see you got 70 or 75 on there, some students don't read the feedback in there where I might have put some stuff in there on what the right answers were, or whatever the case is. So that's why I do the 0 thing once in a while, just so you let me know that you got the feedback and you understand it, and then I just readjust the grade back to what it was going to be. So just wanted to let you know about that before anybody got any heart attacks or anything. So, okay. So yeah, on the homeworks, so far so good. They're pretty straightforward, questions. That's good there. Let me see so that's going to be pretty much the same each week. This upcoming week 2 discussion is going to be on the on the budgeting, like between two goods. Um, Sometimes in this course, again, some students don't necessarily read the material, and you come up with your definition of what inferior means. We're looking for the economics version of these two goods, food and clothing. So that's that part. Homework is going to, same thing. You're going to, you got the different questions in there on the different chapters that we're covering. So, and like I said, from what I've seen so far, make sure when you go in there, make sure you're putting the questions in there too, so I know what I'm looking at. And let me see, in the presentations, you got 3 chapters this week. Chapter 4 is about individual market demand. Oh, there's something like, let me see here. You got like 50 slides in that. And as you know, I pretty much harp on the slides. I think they're good. There's things in the book too, but if you go through these slides, pretty much everything is in there. That's the thing on that. I noticed a lot of comments on last week's video about the reminder about the time you have to put in these courses. You only cheat, if you don't have the time or can't make the time, you're just cheating yourself. Because my whole philosophy on the teaching is making sure that you're learning a material, not just playing, like a lot of people did in high school where, hey, they had to hurry up and spend 30 minutes in the evening to get something done. It just don't work that way with here. And so again, you got to find the time to do it. It's going to be part of what you do, not something extra. And me, myself, I went through the same thing. I used to be a TV junkie. If I was off work and home, I'd be watching different TV shows every night, or, whatever, or the cable shows like Dexter and things like that. But I found I had to give up a lot of that. And so, now I have to pick and choose those particular shows. Like for us, Wednesday night is probably the one the comedies, Modern Family and things like that. But So yeah, that's, you have to, you have to give up some things. You only got a certain amount of time, just like in math, you got 100%, you gotta move things out of there to stay in that 100. You can't do 120%. You can only do 100. So you got to figure out where or what to give up or how to juggle or something there. So, all right. So enough on that. But anyway, so this video might be a little bit short here. Let me see. Dun, dun, dun. You got the quiz every week. Yeah, because let me see. And you don't have a project either, so you're in good shape there. So just from what I've seen so far, keep doing what you're doing. I know economics can be tough. It depends on your perspective or viewpoint of it. But if you got any questions or anything, just let me know. The inbox there. We also got the email and also the, the call and text. So either way, just, stay in touch. Let's have a great week. Any questions, let me know. And that's it, everybody. Take care.